Okay, so hi dear Gemini, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal of reading for all the Gemini Sun, Moon, Venus rising from 13th till the 19th of October 2025. Roles can be reversed also, and if it is not resonating, this is not your story. Want to be a reader like me? You can purchase my courses. Links are given below in the description box for tarot reading course, self-love course, and Ho'oponopono masterclass. For personal reading and healing sessions, check out the description box. I'll find the links below. So let's start. Okay. Let's see what we have, Gemini, the overall energy or the mutual energy of the connection right now. We have the Seven of Pentacles in reverse, the Hermit and the King of Pentacles, and the bottom of the deck is the Five of Pentacles. So, on a subconscious level, on a deeper level, you guys can, like you can say, there is some kind of losses that you guys are feeling because of the situation. There is blame game going on. There is this energy of they left me like out in the cold. You guys have your own reasons to blame the other person here, and you guys are deeply hurt by the way things ended or by the way things were happening in this particular dynamics. For some of you, money was also involved, and you guys were feeling the financial issues were also happening in that situation. And so basically there were losses that you guys were not able to cope up with, and you still are processing those losses. Now on the conscious level, you guys are not waiting for anything or anyone to show up at your door with flowers or chocolates or anything. You guys are becoming more and more silent, more and more you guys are going more and more inwards and understanding the situation on a mature level, and you guys are trying to use this experience of your life to create something really meaningful for yourself. So basically both of you are learning because of this situation. You guys are learning how to be mature enough, how to use this wisdom and knowledge and experience in your favor, and you guys are definitely on the way of creating a very stable base for both of you individually. So the mutual energy of this connection is going inwards, thinking about this situation, understanding the lessons and the blessings that you got out of this. You guys are no longer waiting for this situation or for this person or for this connection to work out or have some kind of miraculous healing kind of a thing. So going inwards and understanding the deeper meaning of this connection is the mutual energy. The lesson here for both of you is this is changing you guys for the best of your lives. It's like happening for your highest good. Because of this situation, you guys are learning a lot about emotions and energies and how to stabilize them and how to use them in your favor. Okay, this is the deal for you guys on a mutual level. Let's see your person or your partner's current feelings for you right now at this present moment. So we have the devil. Okay, this person is still very much obsessed with this situation. They're still very much obsessive and possessive about this dynamics between you and them. Let me clarify this before saying anything more in this direction, in this situation. Let's see. Gemini, let's clarify the devil for them, for their feelings. We have the Knight of Pentacles, the Five of Wands in reverse, and the Judgment. Okay, that's actually a good thing. So till this point, this person was trying to control each and everything in this dynamic, and now they feel like they have to level up, they have to grow up, and now they feel like letting go of this drama, this chaos, and this conflict, and now they feel like letting this go, letting this negativity, toxicity, obsessiveness, and possessiveness kind of energy go out of their system for good. so that they can be really a genuine person, a genuine energy, and they feel like moving forward with a genuine, heartfelt energy. So they feel like moving on from this toxicity, negativity, obsessiveness, possessiveness, and simply feeling like letting go of the control issues and grow up, level up. Okay, let's see your what are your feelings for this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini. Let's see what we have. The moon card. So from your side, you're still feeling there are lots of secretive energies around the situation. There are lots of unsaid things, unresolved issues. Things are not being clear, and you feel confused. You feel like you're intuitively connected to this person. You can feel their energies, but you are not sure what's happening on the other side. There are lots of unresolved, unhealed, unsaid things between you guys. Okay, let's clarify the moon. We have the three of cups and the king of queen of swords and the knight of swords. Yeah, you feel like you should let this you should cut this situation out of your life, out of your system, and run away from your emotions and from your feelings as far as you can, because you're not sure what is going on in their heart and soul, what they feel for you, what they are up to. So you strongly feel that they have somebody else in their life that they're dealing with, and they're not telling it to you, or they're not revealing too much about this situation to you, and you feel like just running away from the situation. You just feel like not thinking about it anymore. Okay, that's kind of difficult to explain. Let's see what this person wants from you. What are their intentions for the situation between you and them, Gemini? We have the page of pentacles. So from your side, from their side, this person wants to come forward towards you with a very stable, mature and grounded kind of energy. They just want to have the starting from the scratch kind of energy, but now they want to do it with stability, with groundedness. They don't want to rush. They don't want to push you. They don't want to create negativity. That's a really good sign. Somebody is changing, and and they are trying to become their best version. Let me clarify the page of pentacles here. We have the page of wands, the king of swords and the hierophant. Yeah, this person wants to start from the friendship kind of a deal. They want to keep things light hearted. They want to keep things on a friendly basis kind of energy. They don't want to think about the long term partnership or marriage or commitment kind of a deal as of now. They want to make sure, they want to make it very very clear to you that until unless you guys will be able to become best friends of each other, you guys will not be able to go to that level of commitment or marriage kind of a deal. If you guys were already married to each other or still married but things are kind of difficult to deal, they want to start from the friendship kind of level. They don't want to talk about the serious matters as of now. I don't think this person wants to run away from their accountability thing. They just don't want to deal with the difficult kind of stuff right now. Maybe later on. Right now, they want to keep things starting from the scratch, stable and light-hearted, and they want to be your friend again. Maybe it was a friendship to love kind of a thing, and now they want to convert it from love to friendship, so that they can that both so that you guys can like understand each other better, and so that you guys can start from the start with a light hearted energy and see where things can go. Okay, they are not giving up on the situation. I don't think so they're giving up what they're planning to give up, but their approach might make you feel like they're not serious about you, but actually that's not the case. Okay, let's see what do you want about the from this particular person or situation from your side, Gemini. We have the emperor. You just want to take the charge of your life in your own hands, and you just want to make a decision and stick to that decision. You just want to control. take the like control of the situation, and you don't want to go out of control for whatever reason. You're like, I'm not going to be vulnerable, I am not going to express too much or say too much, I am just going to sit in my power and let things happen the way they are happening, but I am going to keep my emotions and my energies in check. Okay, let's clarify the Emperor here. We have the Eight of Cups and the Six of Cups and the Two of Wands. Yeah, you just want to fully walk away from this situation, fully walk away from this beautiful soul connection, and you just want to wait and watch what is going to happen next without doing anything from your side. So basically, you just want them to do everything, whatever they want to do. You want them to uh, do whatever they can do or whatever they want to do, but from your side you just want to keep your emotions and your things in under control, so that you can move forward from this person and you are not stuck on them anymore. And you want to give them this clear cut message of, although I am not fully out of the situation, but I am out of the situation, I'm no longer there. Okay, let me see what could be the possible outcome of the situation for you guys till the 19th of October, Gemini. Star card, it's like a lot of optimistic energy, lot of positivity, lot of healing on a deeper level. Let me clarify the star. We have the Magician, the Star, and the King of Cups. It's like you might be manifesting this healing on a deeper level from uh, not maybe so long, but quite a long time now, and you are going to be in a you are going to enter in a phase of your life where you are going to be emotionally content and emotionally grounded, and your emotional maturity is going to grow in leaps and bounds. So basically, by the end of this week, Gemini, you are going to find yourself in a very comfortable and peaceful position, that whatever is happening the way it should. You are healing, you are optimistic, you are positive, you are open to the idea of love, and you are open to the idea of healing yourself properly, so that you can connect with the right people, right energies. The good thing is, a very good thing here is that you are no longer desperate for romantic love or romantic partner. You are just trying to be as open and as healed from your side, so that the right kind of people can enter in your life, whether it's in form of friends, whether it's your business, job, or career collaboration or partnerships. You are focusing on being emotionally mature and emotionally open, and by the end of this week you will be able to have that healing and optimism and that positivity, that being happy about, being content about your life energy a lot. Like it's you're going to feel very happy and content, you're going to feel at peace with yourself. That's the most important thing in life. And it's like you are there 80 to 90%, you are there. This manifestation is in the physical realm for you guys. The guidance here is the Seven of Pentacles. You are not, you don't want any kind of guidance, to be honest with you, Gemini. You're doing the right thing here, but this control thing of yours, this trying to control each and everything and trying not to look weak and trying not to be vulnerable. Maybe you don't have to be vulnerable in that in front of that person that you are trying to leave behind, but trying to become strong or trying to act like a strong person when you are crumbling from inside is not mandatory. That's why it's like, just take a step back, reevaluate your life's decisions and actions one more time, and understand how to manage life in a peaceful and better way, rather than suppressing and rather than trying to control each and everything. Try to be expressive and try to be loving and compassionate towards yourself, and understand that this is your life, this is not a video game. You don't have to control. Maybe you just have to express, and then you will be able to let it go on a in a better way, on a deeper level. That matters a lot. Okay, so before doing anything or making any kind of life changing decision, take a step back and understand the consequences and understand the results of your action properly and honestly, then move forward in that direction. But be flexible and open minded that things might not go exactly the way you want them to go. Things can differ from your usual expectation. That kind of flexibility and open energies you have to have in order to be at peace and in order to heal properly. Okay, honey? So let me answer one of your questions related to your love and relationship area, Gemini. I'm going to, okay, you can close your eyes, take 3 deep breaths, ask your question 3 times in your mind space, keep it short, simple, and precise. And I'm going to give you 10 seconds for the same, and your time starts now. Okay. Okay, honey. So the answer to a question is choose a new direction. So whatever direction you are choosing right now, Gemini, is not the right one for the time being. Choose a new direction. Okay. So try to see things from a different perspective, try to understand things from a different perspective, and then act accordingly. Okay. If this was related to a person, right now they are not there for you. They are not into this situation the way you want them to be. So right now you have to choose yourself. Okay. So thank you so much for tuning in, Gemini. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye. Take care. May existence bless you. Namaste.